Are you looking for the ultimate immunity booster? Keep yourself healthy and strong? Well, look no further, because today we are going to talk about the powerful combination of yam and orange juice that will supercharge your immune system like never before. Yam, also known as sweet potato, is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help boost your immune system. It is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Orange juice, on the other hand, is a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. When combined with yam, the immune-boosting effects are even more potent. To make the ultimate immunity booster yam and orange juice, start by baking a sweet potato until it's soft and mashable. Then, blend the mashed sweet potato with fresh orange juice until smooth. You can also add a hint of honey or cinnamon for extra flavor. This delicious and nutritious drink is not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can strengthen your immune system and ward off illnesses. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, or just want to give your immune system a little boost, reach for the ultimate immunity booster yam and orange juice. Your body will thank you for it.